مرحبا، كيف حالكم؟ Today is Monday. Monday in Arabic الاثنين. So ماذا Monday؟ ما هو اليوم؟ الاثنين. Excellent. الاثنين. Well done. What we will learn today? We will learn the letter F with short sounds. The letter with short sound. Let's start. Oh, مرحبا عنكبوت. عنكبوت bring the sounds with him. The first one here, it's a. 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 The second one, it's E. 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 The third one, U. 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 Let's read the letter F, F with these sounds. The first one, F and A, Fa. F, A, Fa. The second one, F, E, Fi. F, E, Fi. The third one, F, U, Fu. F, U, Fu. The last one, we will freeze the letter because there is a small circle on the top called sukoon. This one is F, F. Let's do it again. واحد ف ف. اثنان في في. ثلاثة فو فو. أربعة ف ف ف. ممتاز. So the first one is, what is it? Fa, fa, fa. Well done. The second one, fi, fi. ممتاز. The third one, fu, fu. ممتاز. If you have a Play-Doh, you can do the shapes of the letter F, F and the letter F, F with the short sound too. You will find this activity in the student's template. I want you to color the letter F, F with the short sound A in أزرق and with E in أخضر and with U with أصفر and freeze the letter with وردي وردي. شكراً. مع السلامة.